Hello my viewer and welcome back to another unboxing, review and testing 12-volt lithium battery storage box. If you have old batteries from laptops like this one and other electronic devices, you can make a 12-volt lithium battery and replace the lead acid battery. For this project we need 21 18650 batteries. But first of all, let's see what we have at this box. Blue color. We have the positive and negative connection. Three S 4 amp balance BMS. We have 3 by 7 21 18 650 bracket holder, 2 of these, and we have welding nickel 2 and 2. So now we need to place all the batteries at the correct position here. I need a spot welder and start make the installation and weld all the batteries with the nickel plate. First the positive, next the negative. And again, positive. Press it very well. There it is, the battery pack. Yep, it fits perfect. Now the nickel plate goes here, positive, negative. And I need my spot welder. I have made a video for this spot welder, you can check after the end of this video or down below in the description. We need less power. I have just added in this one, forgot to press the record button. Let's move on. And the same, we need to add another one here. Perfect. That line of nickel needs to go further out because at this position it will be the BMS and all the connections. I like it. Very clean, good job. The BMS goes here. Open these two plastics, don't break it. 0, we have the negative here. 4.2 volt, the positive here, then negative, positive, and from negative 8.4 goes 12.6 volt to positive. So this is the position I need to install the BMS. But first, let's check the volts. Four, perfect. Perfect. And here we need 12. Perfect. Now we need to prepare the BMS. And then the battery. Welded everything very well, I like it. And now I need to install two cables here. One it is the positive and one the negative. So it looks like that. And then I need to insert inside here at the box. It fits perfect. And then I need to connect the cables here at the positive and negative. So there it is, complete. Close. Seal it. If you want, you can glue it, but better just tape it around. And we need to measure the output right now. 12.2. Now I will discharge the battery until the BMS kicks in and stops the power output. And now let's check the volts again. 10.7 volts. Now I will charge the battery with 12 volt 3 amp adapter. Let's remove the charger and check the battery again. 12.31 volts. Charge it! This battery case can be a replacement for a traditional lead-acid batteries, offering a higher, more efficient and longer lasting power source for your motorcycle. The included welding nickel strips and the holders make it easier to assemble and connect your 18650 batteries, ensuring a solid and reliable connection. If you are considering an upgrade to a more modern and efficient power solution for your motorcycle, this 12-volt Li-ion battery case box is definitely worth considering. It's a practical, high-performance alternative to conventional lead-acid batteries. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tech tips. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this battery case, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.